Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss of class 10th chapter 8 similar triangles. We will do sums based on the BPT guys, basic proportionality theorem. That is page number 201. Try this exercise. In a triangle PQR, EF are the points of the sides PQ and PR respectively for each of the following. State whether EF is parallel to QR or not. Okay, we need to given first sum here. So based on that, draw a rough figure and mention the dimensions here. Take down the given values. We need to find that whether EF is parallel to QR guys. EF is parallel to QR. Okay. So if a line is parallel to the third side, then we can write as a ratio form, right? The other two sides will divide in the same ratio, right? We'll check by substituting the values guys. PE value is given as 3.9, EQ is 3, PF is 3.6 and FR is 2.4. We need to find the value of FR. If this satisfies, if we got this LHS equal to RHS, then only we can say that EF is parallel to QR guys. Otherwise this is not parallel. This not comes under BPT. Okay. Now check. 1.3 by 1 equal to 3 by 2. Therefore this is not equal, right? Okay. Where this is equal to 1.3, if you divide you will get 1.5. 1.3 is not equal to 1.5, right? Therefore PE by PQ is not equal to PF by FR. Therefore EF is not parallel to QR. Therefore EF is not parallel to QR. Therefore the given dimensions or given triangle not comes under the BPT. So okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.